Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. It's rose planting time now, and this is one of my favourites. It's a rose called Margaret Merrill, and Margaret Merrill is a cream and white, perfectly shaped rose. Flowers non-stop from June until October. It was named for Margaret Merrill, and Margaret Merrill was beauty consultant for Oil of Ulay. Now to plant it, just first of all you give that plunge in some water just to give the roots a good drink, and the plant itself, keep it in good condition. Dig a hole a little bit deeper than the root system, put a little bit of super dry planting fertilizer at the bottom, spread out the roots well, a little bit of swell well and compost in around the roots, and plant level up to there. Height for Margaret Merrill is roughly around 3 feet high and will spread around 2.5. Remember, non-stop June until October. That's a lovely fragrant cream like that. So that's Margaret Merrill rose, reliable, and when you've planted in your garden for the next 15 or maybe even 20 years, goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.